We are at Amelia. We have the new wheels on, and I think Amelia is the perfect trail to test out the rolling resistance, pedal efficiency, now that we swapped out to the smaller 2.4 tires at the front. They're still XR4s, but we got my new, well, I put back my upgraded Atomik Carbon wheel set, which they're actually the aluminum ones, but they have the Hydra hubs on the rear, Industry 9 Hydra hubs. So I miss these wheels, so we're gonna see. We also got the new bar, like I mentioned in the last video. So now Amelia is a perfect trail. We're gonna time ourselves from the front to the end. My goal is mid to high 30 minutes. Let's see. We're gonna not go at a crazy pace, and we're gonna start the time right now. So from start to finish, we're gonna try to just go at a moderate pace. I'm not gonna try to race it because, you know, now that I have it in my head that I want to beat the other time, I'm gonna try to I'm gonna inadvertently try to ride faster. But the problem with that is that I'm obviously gonna run out of steam quicker if I try to do that. So I'm just gonna keep a steady pace like I would normally, and just see what happens, right? So let's talk about what we're at with tire pressure and suspension settings. For the most part, really the only thing I change here is I usually run the rear shock on the middle, on the mid lever setting, so that way we get a little bit better pedaling efficiency. Since I really didn't warm up or anything, I really am bad at that. We're taking this kind of first trail as that warm up. Wrong way. No worries. And we're gonna try to dodge some people that come at us from the wrong way. So just on the big rock, just on the climbing, I can tell already that these 2.4s are going to be way better. Now I just gotta hope that my endurance levels are gonna take me through the whole trail like I expected, you know? Upsy daisy. My lines could be better here, but not too bad. What else? Let's see. Suspension. Oh, another important one is tire pressure, right? These tires, I think from the valve stem, they're leaking a little bit. So I'm overinflating them a tad just to make up for that difference. So I have about 28 to 30 psi in the rear, and about 23 to 25 at the front. I usually like running closer to 20 in the front, but since they're like sort of deflating as we ride here, I give it a little bit extra. One day I jumped this one and I didn't turn, so I went straight, straight down that. I like what they did there. I like what they did with that berm. We're not at the events just yet, but that's tight. We're getting there. Oh, thank you, man. Nice of him. This one really slows me down. I gotta figure out the lines here. I'll take this inside line. Oh, I fixed this. We're taking it. But I'll show you some of this. We're 13 minutes in. Not gonna lie, I have to slow down a tad because my legs are starting to feel it so bad. Here you go. You can jump that if you have enough endurance. I don't. I'm using all my gears. I'm not playing around. Might have shifted too much there. We got this. We got this. We got this. Keep that little heart pumping. Oopsie daisy. This next climb is a torture. Coast this for a second. This climb right here. Downshift, downshift, downshift again. I'm gonna downshift a little more. Whew. Torture, like I said, just torture. Here comes the most torturous climb. Woo! Sitting at 190 something heart rate. We're gonna get up for this one. We're gonna take the sissy line on the right and barely make it up. downhill here. We're gonna take full advantage of that. Coasting. We gotta recover. Whew. Yeah, buddy. This trail system is no joke. Hate this climb. Let's go. Nice. Hate it. Hate it. Oh! Damn. So I guess we can't do the whole entire event. Ooh, the climb at the end of this one sucks. We could jump that, but just resting on my heels right now. The climb at the end of this is as close to torture as you can get. I'm gonna use every gear possible. Whew. You gotta have some helmet. Hopefully he doesn't get hurt. Always wear a helmet. Be ashamed if they close down the park because of you. We are maybe halfway through. Oh my God. Not gonna lie. I'm exhausted. This trail system really beats you up, man. Wow. And that's that we didn't have to do the biggest advanced section. So definitely this is definitely a trail to build cardio. By the way, I just switched my rear shock to the fully open setting. Should have done it a little later, but a really rooty section is coming up. So instead of bending down and unlocking it, I'd rather do it now, save me the trouble. Once I'm already there, my heart rate is through the roof. This is it. Here's the Rudy section. Trick or treat. This is where my other shock shines. This one's not bad, but the other one, man, the other one really soaks up the bumps. Much easier on these tires, it's crazy. You would think the bigger ones, it's just that you could keep a little bit more rolling speed. That makes all the difference. I promise you I'm trying to accelerate. We're against the wind here. Come on. I don't think I'll be able to sprint it, but try to accelerate just a tad. Come on, legs. I'm not content. That was even by skipping the advance, which is crazy. 38 minutes. The funny thing is, the average speed is higher than last time. Oh, wait a minute. I skipped last time. Last time I skipped one of the trails. I gotta go back in my Strava and look at it. But regardless, here we skipped the hardest section. And to give you an idea, I have a video on YouTube doing the whole entire thing. I mean, I did not skip a single beat. I don't remember if it was clockwise or counter, but I did the whole thing in 37 or 38 minutes, something like that. So, yeah, I don't think it's the tires now. Oh my God, I gotta make all kinds of excuses now. I think we realize it's just me. You know, I just don't have the endurance. I slowed down a lot. In some of those sections, I didn't think I was gonna lose that much time. But it is what it is. But I'll give you the pros. I'll give you the pros. Wheels are definitely stiffer. So on my previous wheels, every time I'll lean too hard, the brakes will start touching. I have not experienced that with these wheels. So that's a positive. Going up hills, 100% easier. Like, it's pretty dramatic how much easier it is. So, it is kind of crazy. Let's see what this guy's doing. It is kind of insane, that section of it, right? So, all in all, I'm happy. I'm not 100% happy with the time, but we can't win them all. We'll try again later.